Okay, so we're given a word problem on mixed number proportions. Remember, a mixed number is where you have like some big whole number and then a fraction. So it says a chocolate chip cookie recipe asks for 2 2/3 times as much flour as chocolate chips. If 1 1/3 cups of flour is used, so this is what I'm going to call X. That's what I'm solving for. Quantity of chocolate chips would then be needed according to the recipe. So if I write this as a proportion, I'm going to say I have 2 over 2/3. Okay, so which is my flour. We'll go ahead and write that here, and is used for 1 cup of chocolate chips. And we're going to set this equal to this proportion, the 1 over 1/3 X. Okay, so I'm going to make my X look a little bit better. And so this is what I'm actually solving. So as much as flour is chocolate chips, that's where I'm getting all of these values that I've plugged in. So now I'm just ready to solve this. How I solve these is I kind of get rid of the mixed numbers. And remember, to get rid of a mixed number, to make it improper fraction, you take the denominator times the big number. So 3 times 2, and then you add what's up top. So 3 times 2 plus 2, and this is over 1, so I can just kind of get rid of the 1 right now. This one over here is going to be 3, and this is kind of right now where you'll see me start, instead of using X's, I will put a dot for multiplication. And the reason why is there is an X in here and I don't want to confuse them. So I'm going to do 3 times 1 plus this 1, and this is still over X. So 3 times 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. And that looks a lot nicer than that big old ugly thing, right? And now over here, I have 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1, 4 over X. And what you can do is that cross product where you can multiply both sides by X. So that'll get rid of the X, which leaves me, I can change the order of this and just write it as 8x equals 4. Whenever you write a number next to a variable, that still implies multiplication. And I can finish this now. I can divide both sides by 8 because I'm trying to get rid of that 8 right there. And so I get x equals 4/8, or my final answer of 1/2. So the amount of chocolate chips needed is 1/2 cups.